Welcome to Money Made Simple, your bookkeeping membership. I'm Chantrell, and I built this membership just for you. I built this membership because I know that people are struggling to keep all of their finances in order, all of their books together, and I want to give you a little bit of help. So this membership is going to guide you. I'm going to give you different documents that you can print out. I'm going to give you workbooks, spreadsheets, all the things that you need. You don't have to necessarily print them out. They can be on your computer, but I'm going to guide you through every month by month, to make sure that you have your books in order and that you're ready all year for tax time, and that you understand your profit and loss statements, and that you just know exactly what's going on with your books day in and day out. We're going to get started, and I'm so glad that you're here because I hope that you find all of your great information that you need right here in this membership. So I see put a checklist in for each month. What you're going to do is follow the checklist, make sure that you're adhering to those, make sure that you're doing everything on the checklist, and then you're going to download all of the things that you need to download to make sure that your books are in order. And then you're going to come back here and you're going to look at the video for each month. So I'm going to have a separate video for January, February, and so on. And then you're also going to have a video that attaches to your checklist to teach you exactly what you need to do on the checklist, like what steps you need to follow in order to make sure that you're getting everything on the checklist done. So we're going to make sure that you build a system that works for you, that lasts a long time, and that you understand, so that you know your money better and that you're not getting off track when it comes to your finances. We want to make sure that you're keeping your money in your pocket and it's not being wasted. So welcome to the membership. It's just for you.